about yourself, if I'm not DJing and I'm not busy doing all of this music stuff, then how will people know I'm relevant or even worth booking you? What's up, my good vibe DJ tribe? This week's Ask Kilma comments and question is, it's the slow season for me. To be honest, I refuse to play Christmas music. So unlike some DJs, things slow down for me right away. And there isn't much for special events and weddings. How do I stay relevant if I have no DJ gigs to showcase? I got 3 main tips for you. These tips are gonna help you build content. Keep this in mind. So number 1, learn. Learn all that you can. Maybe you need to learn how to be a better DJ. Maybe you need to learn how to write blogs or record vlogs, because everybody else in your industry that's doing really well is also doing that. Maybe you need to learn how to brand yourself better, how to stand out on social media. These are things that you can do when you have time. You can go on YouTube and you can literally watch a 5-minute video on how to schedule Facebook events or content, just to make your life a little bit easier. Number 2, document. Document all of these things that you're learning. Take notes. Maybe you're reading this really fantastic book. This is something that you can, again, document. Gary Vaynerchuk's Jab, 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 Right Hook, a great book to learn how to market yourself better and be a better business owner. So why wouldn't you want to document the things that you're learning? And number 3, create. Maybe it's making music, maybe it's making DJ mixes, maybe it's making these new vlogs and blogs that you have learned how to do. And you want to start applying what you're learning and creating more content. Literally, that is exactly what you're doing. You are creating relevant content within your industry to showcase yourself as an artist. So just because you're not uploading a video of you DJing at a gig doesn't mean you're not doing something towards your career that's really helpful. And something I want you to keep in mind when your competition is playing all these Christmas shows that you don't want to play and they're making money, they're not necessarily having that time to learn. So if you want to one-up people in, in a nice way, just becoming better, okay, just one-upping yourself. How about that? Okay? You're not trying to be better than your competition, you're just trying to be better than you were yesterday. This is a great way for you to get that experience that you need so that you can charge more and show your worth in more than just DJ gigs. I hope you found this Ask Kilma answer to your question helpful. If you have an Ask Kilma question yourself, hashtag Ask Kilma on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, or you can email me for an anonymous question. And actually, you know what? I'd love to hear from you guys. I want to hear how all of y'all are applying these things to keep yourself relevant. Maybe there's something I didn't mention. There's probably something I didn't mention because, you guys have such amazing tips yourself. We want to hear them in the comments below. And until next time, don't let no one kill your vibe.